Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
So many persons were wondering, where is the Curvy Diva? Well, it seems as if the Curvy Diva got in some hot water with the law after a business relationship got sour. The media personality and entrepreneur took to an Instagram post to declare her innocence. I am aware that many of you have heard the recent news. Yesterday, I was formally charged. On the advice of my legal counsel, I am unable to discuss the details of the matter at this time. However, I want to assure you that I will have my day in court, where the truth will prevail. I maintain my innocence regarding these baseless accusations. Unfortunately, my former landlord, where I previously operated my restaurant on Dunrobin, is at the center of this unwarranted situation. I will provide further updates as the legal process unfolds. Now we get to understand that the charges stem from an incident that happened at the business establishment located on Dunrobin Avenue in St. Andrew from July 2023. Reports from the Halfway Tree police are that about 7:28 p.m. the owner had securely locked his establishment before leaving the premises. The Curvy Diva, who previously had a business relationship with the owner, was allegedly observed on the property accompanied by a locksmith. Upon being alerted, the owner returned to find the lock severed, furniture and other items missing, and damage done to the building, according to the police. Someone I know, tell me what you think really go down.